Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to show you how to draw a Vans shoe. So, to start off with our shoe, we're going to begin right about here in the middle of our paper. So, what I'm going to do is starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of curves down and goes right around here like this. Now, starting back up here, I'm going to bring this line up just a little bit. And then I'm just going to curve it down like this. Then I'm going to curve it around here and then bring it back out just like this. Now coming over here, I'm going to make this a little bit longer. So I'm going to extend this out here like that. Then I'm going to bring this line all the way over here, and I want it to connect with this line right here. Now, starting right back up here, I'm going to redraw this shape. So I'm just going to make a little line, and I'm just going to redraw this entire shape right here, and then just connect it right there. Now, starting right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a small diagonal line that goes right about to there. And then I'm just going to curve this around and go up right there. Then I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that comes down just a little bit like that. And then I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down, and I want it to stop so that it lines up with this line right here. Then I'm going to continue this line all the way to here. Next, starting right here, I'm going to curve down for the back of the shoe. Then coming over here, I'm going to draw a little rectangle that's kind of at a diagonal. That's going to be the tag where it says Vans. Then I'm just going to come in here and I'm going to draw a curved line that goes almost all the way to that tag. Then, right in here between these two lines, I'm going to draw a little curved line, just for part of the fabric on the shoe. And then starting back here, what I'm going to do is, right about this point, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves around, and I'm going to connect it right into here. And that's going to be the back part of the shoe. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a little line down, and then another little line right here, and then I want to connect these. So I'm just going to draw this entire line. Just like that. Then I'm going to do the same thing, but this time I'm going to make the line a little bit longer on each side. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to try to follow that curve. So I'm just going to curve it around. Just like that. Now, on my little tag right here, you can write something like you can write the word Vans in there if you want to. Now, right here, I'm going to make a small curved line that just kind of shows where there's a little bit of separation on the sole. Now, on this part of the shoe, I'm going to make some little dash marks that go all the way around just to show where there is some stitching on the shoe. And then I'm going to put a few right up here. And then I'm also going to put a few on here like this. Now, Vans come in all sorts of different styles and different things. You can, color these however you want. But let's say we're going to put like a checkerboard pattern on here. So what I'm going to do is, starting here at the front, I'm just going to make some diagonal lines. And I'm going to put these all the way along the shoe. Then what I'm going to do is, starting up here, I'm going to kind of follow the curve of the shoe that I made. So I'm just going to start here, and I'm just going to kind of follow the curve like that. Now on this next one, I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to do the same thing. And then I'm going to start right here and put one more right there. Now back here, I'm going to do the same checkerboard pattern, but this time I'm just going to go straight across. And then just draw a line that goes down. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Vans shoe. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.